Welcome back, fitness friends. Today, we're diving into exciting news. Drop sets could revolutionize your gains in half the time. New research from Insider suggests these sets might be your muscle-building ace. Smash that sub button and ring the bell for more fitness tips. Let's roll. Drop sets. What's the scoop? It's when you representative an exercise till failure, then swiftly slash the weight and power through more reps. Insider's scoop? Muscle might boom in half the clock's tick. Science time. Drop sets nail varied muscle fibers in one set. As fatigue creeps, you ease the weight, amplifying fiber activation and growth signals, a recipe for gains. How's it done? Like this. Pick, say, bench press. Lift weight for 8-10 reps, max out, drop 20-25% weight, repeat till toast. Your muscles will scream, in a good way. Sneak drop sets in smartly. Finish a set with a bang, use them once or twice weekly per muscle group. Fire, don't tire.